इसराइल में ईरान की तरफ से दागे गए मिसाइल्स की वजह से जिन लोगों के घर तबाह हो गए हैं, जिन लोगों के घर टूट गए हैं, वो अब धीरे धीरे घरों की तरफ रुख तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी वो घर नहीं जा पाएंगे क्योंकि उनके घर पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हुए हैं। मेरे साथ यहाँ के एक शख्स हैं, उनसे मैं जानना चाहूँगा। आई वॉन्ट टू नो, डू यू लिव हेयर?
Yes.
व्हाट हैपेंड दैट डे व्हेन दिस मिसाइल फेल हेयर?
When that happened here, most of the people were in safe places. But you know, if even if you have safe place in this kind of building,
Yes,
if any
that's not
rockets
safe.
fall on you, yeah, it's the end of your
That's
story.
not safe.
Yes, this is not safe at all.
So many people have become homeless, so they cannot return
Yeah.
immediately because
No,
there is a
that's
lot
for
of
sure.
destruction.
That's for sure. Actually, one of my friends used to live here.
Okay.
So
He has
he
lost
go.
completely that house.
Yeah, of course. He left the city now, and he's in his parents' house until he will find another place. So,
यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं लोग आए हैं जिनके ये घर हैं, वो यहाँ पे देखने आए हैं कि किस तरीके की तबाही हुई, क्योंकि अब क्योंकि सीज़ फायर हो चुका है। अब धीरे धीरे, हालांकि सीज़ फायर को भी 3 दिन हो चुके हैं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे अब जो लोग यहाँ से निकल चुके थे अब धीरे धीरे वापस आ रहे हैं और अपने घरों की तरफ जब देख रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि उन्हें काफ़ी दुख हो रहा है कि इस तरीके की तबाही उनके इलाकों में हुई है। क्योंकि जब यहाँ पे सायरन्स बजी थी और मिसाइल अटैक हुआ था, इन्हें फ़ौरन यहाँ से इवैक्यूएट किया गया। काफ़ी लोग ऐसे भी यहाँ पे आए हैं जिनके रिश्तेदारों के घर तबाह हो चुके हैं। ये जो लेडी है, हालांकि इन्होंने मुझे पहले ही कहा कि ये भारत आई हैं। यू हैव विजिटेड अर्लियर दिल्ली ऑल्सो?
I've been to Delhi.
You've
Yeah,
been to
I've
Delhi.
represented Israel in the film festival in Delhi a few years ago. Yeah, and I loved India. Yeah,
Okay,
I
when
loved
I
it.
see there is a lot of
We
destruction.
have a lot to learn from you. We have a
Why?
lot to learn from you.
Like?
From your peace of mind, from your tranquility. You know, I don't believe in revenge. No way, no way. This world needs peace.
Okay.
Israel needs peace. The whole area needs peace.
You are a peace lover.
Too much bloodshed in this area, you know, and around the
Yes.
world. It's
Middle,
about time.
Middle East has been burning.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and all over the world. It's about time to think out of the box, you know, to think out of the box. Women should be leaders, you know. Men are so aggressive. Women have the ability.
Politeness.
No, the ability for, you know.
Tolerance.
understand-
They are
yes,
tolerant.
Tolerance, yeah.
The tolerance.
It's stereotype, but you know.
Okay,
yeah.
if I see around, there is a lot of destruction. So many houses have been damaged badly
Look here.
due to missile attack. Yes.
And here,
What would
all
you like
over,
to say?
look.
Yes.
Wow.
What would you like to say this time? Now it will take a lot of time for the rehabilitation, for the reconstruction. Do you think?
I'm sure it will take time, right? But it's not about the time, it's about what will be made during this time, you know? If war will be ongoing during this time, so nobody will, you know, will have the benefit of it. But if people will understand that should be an end for this bloodshed, so this time can be uplift some more optimistic times for
So
the
there is-
world.
there-
and for
there is-
Israel. You understand my point?
Right. There is a
Sorry for my
ceasefire now.
English.
Okay, there is ceasefire between Israel and Iran now. You are hopeful that it will hold?
I'm optimistic. You can't live in Israel if you're not optimistic. I mean, that's one thing. You can't.
So you're
Because
happy that ceasefire was announced and it's still holding now.
Yeah, yeah. And let's pray that it will hold for, you know, for many years to come. Let's pray.
You don't want war. You want peace only.
No,
War
I'm a
brings
I'm
this
mother
kind of
for
a-
three boys, you know.
Right.
In
And-
Israel,
and this is the result of the war.
of course.
The
of
destruction
course.
all around
Of
is the
course.
result of the war, and you are a peace lover.
And-
You want peace.
Of course, and it's not just the construction, you know, it's the mentality, the psychological, the post-trauma, the people that were hurt, soldiers that were killed, you know, bloodshed from both sides.
Your
you know.
relatives have lost house here.
I know people have lost, yeah, that they live in hotel.
Your relatives also.
Sorry?
Your relatives also.
My friend.
Your
My
friend has lost the
Yeah,
house.
yeah, not far from
Which
here.
one?
No,
In
not
this
not
area?
here. In this area.
Okay,
Yeah.
there are hundreds of houses
There-
which
there
are damaged,
There are.
which
yeah,
have got
yeah.
damaged.
And some people were killed, you know.
Yes.
Some people during, yeah. So
Thank you so much.